Happy Friday, everybody. And here at the Primal Professor, Fridays are known as Fact Friday. And today's topic is that 1 in 3 adults has prediabetes, and most don't know they have it. Welcome to the Daily Spoonful with the Primal Professor, where we don't just drop facts, we turn them into fuel for action. Over 1 in 3 U.S. adults has prediabetes, and about 80% have no idea. Just let that sink in. We're not talking about people with full-blown type 2 diabetes. We're talking about the steep, silent slope toward it. So why don't they know? Because early insulin resistance doesn't always show up on the standard labs. Fasting glucose, it can look normal for years. A1C often doesn't reflect the sugar spikes that you're having. Meanwhile, the damage is already happening internally. Most people don't get flagged until it's progressed. By then, they're battling fatigue, inflammation, belly fat, elevated blood pressure, and sometimes neuropathy. And the truth, we could prevent so much of this. So today's nugget, the best time to reverse prediabetes is before it becomes diabetes. A client came to me with her labs that her doctor called fine, but she knew something was off. Her waistline was expanding, her energy was tanking in the afternoon, and her brain fog was thick. I had her track her blood glucose after meals, and guess what? She was spiking into the 140s and staying elevated for hours. And that's classic insulin resistance, just not on paper. We adjusted her meals, more protein, fewer carbs, and healthy fats, and a walk daily. Within 6 weeks, no more fog, steady energy, better sleep, and her belly started shrinking. She didn't wait for a diagnosis. She took action. Let's talk about strategy. Let's watch for early signs. Afternoon energy crashes, stubborn belly fat, strong carb cravings, difficulty feeling full after meals, meaning that you want to get up and eat again, brain fog, and yes, the hangry feeling. You don't need permission to protect your health. You need awareness and a willingness to begin. Awareness is power. Now you have it. The earlier you act, the better your body responds. The longer you had prediabetes, the longer it will take to reverse it, but you can reverse it. Let's keep building momentum, one spoonful at a time. I will post a video for 11 early signs of prediabetes. See you tomorrow.